Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a Swift Elegance 580 2021 model. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. So a wonderful, well-spec'd single axle caravan with transverse island bed and rear bathroom. Carbon fibre front locker box there. You've also got the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. The Elegance range benefiting from the woodless construction method and providing a lifetime water ingress warranty. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got the refreshed Elegance logo and decals going down the side of the caravan. You've got the exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couch, and also a 240 volt socket. As you come towards the back of the caravan, you've got an access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed and the 580 logo and badge on the back. Also benefiting from an Alco secure wheel lock, an onboard water tank and some fantastic interior features. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a nice large Fenix kitchen work surface with work surface extension, a stainless steel sink, a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. An easy usable height microwave in the centre of the caravan with cupboards either side, so ample storage. In the central part, you've got an omnivent taking out some of those cooking smells, and in a hot summer month, bringing in a nice ambient temperature. New for 2021 is the change in the colour scheme on the locker doors. So you see here, it's the two-tone locker door effect with the chrome trim. Large panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, gives a fantastic feeling of space in this front lounge area. New as well for 2021 is this new selection of fabric scheme, a high-quality, durable fabric scheme in the top-of-the-range Swift that you see here. Down towards the front, you've got a PIR sensor for the alarm, a chest at the front with short pull-out table and storage in that chest. On the front here, you've got 2 USB points, an auxiliary jack, a television point, aerial point and sat point, and also 240 volt socket. Positioned above the door, you've got a Swift command panel with digital DAB radio, built-in mobile connectivity to connect to it via the Swift command app for Bluetooth, just doing some functionalities on it. And also with the Swift command app, you've got mobile connectivity as well. Alder Wet Central Heating is the heating system in this caravan, in the piped system all the way around, giving you an all-round, all-year-round warmth. A generous sized, tall, slimline fridge with both storage both underneath and above. So stepping through to the bedroom area, you've got a generous sized wardrobe to the right-hand side of the bed with drawers underneath, and also light switch and USB point. Your second television point is located here in the bedroom area, so you can put a TV up onto the side binnacle, just below some well-positioned shelves, vanity mirror and cupboard. Audi heated vent going all the way down there, but ample amount of storage to move around the end of the bed whilst the bed is down in the day position. Further two-tone locker effect that you see through here, and a nice quality finish to the bathroom door with that cream and chrome trim. Storage to the left-hand side of the bed in a wardrobe and also underneath storage there. Through to the bathroom area, you've got your Thetford toilet with the Aldi Wet Central heated towel rail. Speakers positioned in the bathroom area. Also a vanity mirror positioned next to a high-quality finished sink with storage underneath. Generous size individual shower cubicle that you see here. And also benefiting from having a hanging rail in it. So should you be out for those nice long walks and you've got some wet coats to put in the shower just to drip off. So that gives you a real good feeling, good understanding for what this Elegance 580 2021 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact our dedicated sales team, who will be more than happy to help and support you. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.